Hello students, so today let's see the important oxidizing agents and reducing agent. As we know, oxidizing agents are those agents which gains electron during redox reaction or chemical reaction, whereas reducing agents are those which loses electron during redox reaction or chemical reaction. Oxidizing agents are also called oxidants, reducing agents are also called reductant. So let's see a few of the important examples of oxidizing agent. So let's start with number 1, oxygen, ozone, halogen in the form of H2, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, CrO3, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, sodium dichromate, Na2CrO3, Na2Cr2O7, nitric acid, sodium nitrate also called chili saltpeter, iron 3 chloride, mercury 2 chloride, KClO4, potassium perchlorate, sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen peroxide. Now, ozone also act as reducing agent, so is hydrogen peroxide. So you have to keep that in mind that few substances act as both oxidizing and reducing agent. So hydrogen peroxide is one of them, nitrous acid is HNO3 is that, sulfur dioxide is that, ozone is that. So few substances act as both oxidizing and reducing agent. You have to remember that. MgO, CuO, CO2 P4, CO2 carbon dioxide, P4O10, F2, fluorine is regarded as the strongest oxidizing agent. Fluorine is regarded as the strongest oxidizing agent. So let's see now reducing agent. All metals, sodium, zinc, iron, aluminum, etc. Non-metals like carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, hydroacids like HCl, HBr, HI, hydrogen sulfide, FeCl2, iron 2 chloride, iron sulfate, iron 2 sulfate, tin 2 chloride, sodium hydride, lithium hydride, potassium iodide, sodium thiosulfate. Lithium is regarded as the strongest oxidizing agent. Lithium is regarded as the strongest oxidizing agent. Let's see few examples like ozone, hydrogen peroxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfate, sulfide, nitrous acid, not nitric acid. Nitrous acid is both oxidizing and reducing agent. Sodium nitrite, not nitrate, and sodium sulfite. So these are the substances which act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. So do keep this in mind, students. These are very important for your upcoming IIT exam as well as your other entrance exams. Now, how to calculate the equivalent weight of oxidizing agent? So use the formula equivalent weight of oxidizing agent is equal to molecular weight upon number of electron gained per molecule. As we know, oxidizing agent gains electron whereas reducing agent loses electron. Equivalent weight of reducing agent. Equivalent weight of reducing agent is given by the formula molecular weight upon number of electron lost per molecule. Number of electron lost per molecule. You have to remember that reducing agent undergo oxidation and oxidizing agent undergo reduction. So you have to remember the trick Rao. Reducing agent undergo oxidation, oxidizing agent undergo reduction. So keep this in mind, student. It will be really very helpful for your upcoming exam. Now let's see the equivalent weight of KMnO4 in different medium like acidic medium, neutral medium and alkaline medium. What you will do, first you have to calculate the oxidation state of Mn. So x minus 8 equal to minus 1, so x equal to minus 1 plus 8, that is plus 7. So here the oxidation state is plus 7 and that side it is plus 2. So there is change of 5 electron. How much electron changes? So 5 electrons. So here equivalent weight will be m by 5. Equivalent weight will be m by 5. In acidic medium, the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is molecular mass by 5. In the neutral medium, MnO4 minus changes to MnO2. So here oxidation state is plus 4, here oxidation state is plus 7. So there is a change of 3 electrons. So equivalent weight here will be m by 3. M by 3. Now coming to in alkaline medium, MnO4 minus changes to MnO4 2 minus. That means here it is plus 7, here it is plus 6. So the change is only of 1 electron. So equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight. So you can remember BAN 1 5 3. You can remember that Bangladesh has been bowled out for 153 in a T20 match. Bangladesh has been bowled out for 153 in a T20 match against India. So B for basic medium, it is M1. In acidic medium it is 5, in neutral medium it is 3. So in basic medium you have to divide by 1. If you divide by 1 any number, it remains the same. So in basic medium equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight. In acidic medium M by 5. In neutral medium it is M by 3. So remember that Bangladesh has been bowled out for 153 in a T20 match. Remember this trick and it will be really very helpful for your exam. This is such an important topic for your exam. So just remember the change in the electron and you have to know how to balance the reaction. That is useful for your exam point of view. So remember the trick BAN, B for basic medium, A for acidic medium, N for neutral medium. In basic medium the equivalent weight of KMnO4 is M. In acidic medium it is M by 5 and it is in neutral medium it is M by 3. So maximum equivalent weight is in alkaline medium whereas the least is in acidic medium. So thank you students so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Do comment me how you are accepting my video, and subscribe and forward to your friend, and do write a comments what do you want to watch in my upcoming videos. So thank you so much and all the best for your upcoming IIT exam. Thank you.